Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a lace called Clunky Lace. It does not describe the weight of the fabric, but it is short, squat shells that are formed like dots in the fabric. Okay, this is made with HDC shells and DC clusters, and it is made over a repeat of 6 plus multiple of 6 plus 2 as the foundation chains. To make this particular sample, I have used Hobby Store DK dark pink premium acrylic anti-pill yarn with medium weight 4, and its color code is 2031. I shall be demonstrating with the same yarn, so I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 3 repeats of 6 plus 2, 20 chains. In the 5th chain from the hook, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th chain from the hook, make 2 half double crochets. Chain 2, 2 half double crochets, all in the same chain. Skip 2 chains and place a DC cluster in the next. So one incomplete DC, the second incomplete DC, incomplete. So again skip 2, place HTC shell. HTC shell comprises of 2 HTC, chain 2, 2 HTCs. In the next row we are going to use SCs. Skip 2, place a DC cluster. This you continue till you have 3 stitches left, 3 chains left. Again skip 2, place the HTC cluster. Now you have 3 chains left. Place a HTC in the last chain. This pattern is a 2-row repeat. Now you have the option to make an HTC with 2 chains and turn, or chain 1, turn, place a HTC in the very first stitch, and then place 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet under the chain 2 space. And place a single crochet on the 2 DC cluster. This is the stitch repeat for this. Under chain 2 space, place single crochet shells, and on the DC cluster place a single crochet. I shall meet you at the end here. I've come to the end of the second row, so now simply place a HTC in the turning chain. For row 3, you either make 2 chains and turn, or chain 1, turn and make an HTC on the very first stitch, and place 2 HTC shell under the chain 2 space. This is a very simple pattern but looks very beautiful, and it's great for several projects. You can make anything with this. You can make wearables, you can make shawls, you can make baby wearables, etc, etc. And on the SC here, make a DC cluster. So this is, and again under chain 2 space, make HTC shell. So this is a very simple pattern. It's a 2 row repeat. Rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeats. Sorry. Incomplete DC1, incomplete DC2, and complete the cluster. And under chain 2 space your two HTC shell. On one row you are making SC shell and SCs, and the other row you are making half HTC shells and DC cluster. We are in the last stitch here, so place a half double crochet. This is how it is formed. So when you repeat, you can repeat these rows 2 and 3 to any length that you require, or the desired length that you require for your project, and you can mix and match with other stitches too. And this is how it will look once it develops. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of all the videos that we upload. Please do like and share our videos. Bye for now. Have a great day.